Alright, today is 1/12/22. We got the 2000 Tahoe working well now. We're gonna go on a test drive. We got the distributor dropped in at top dead center, and acceleration is like way better now. I think I was probably like off by one tooth. And this is the numbers here. That's the cam retard setting. We're at -1 RPMs, 1,700. It's supposed to be 0, but I was by myself. -1 is close as I get for now. And then RPM is like 2,000 RPMs at 68 miles an hour, 60 something going uphill. Car has great power compared to before. We did have spark plug number 4 and 8 that were bad. Not sure it's bad in the distributor or the spark plug wire, but got a new distributor and a new rotor and cap aftermarket. The whole set came with it for maybe like $200, $190, something like that. Or I could just use the AC Delco one with the rotor, maybe like $40. Anyways, tried to take out the rotor, but it was rusted, so took the whole distributor out and just tried to take it out, and didn't have enough tools, so just got another distributor. Anyways, we're doing good. We're at -1 often, and so all that advice on YouTube worked. So the hardest thing is when you drop it into top dead center, your oil pump won't line up. So you gotta line up your timing mark, top dead center on the pulley, and then put it to the pointer slightly before pointing to number 1, and then once it drops in, and spin it around again to make sure you're at top dead center, and if everybody lines up, then you're good. It was a little bit tricky, so that's that. Alright, thanks for watching.